Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Orlando, and today we're talking about the housing market crash that is coming. I'm telling you guys, it's coming. You have been really seeing signs of this market, of this like perfect storm coming together. So let's just read into this to kind of see what's going on with this. It says, higher mortgage rates are cutting into demand for refinances as fewer and fewer borrowers can now get worthwhile savings. What are they talking about here? They're talking about now that the interest rates are creeping up. Now borrowers are looking at it and being like, what? Am I gonna really, is it even worth kind of going through all of this trouble to get this refinance when the rates are higher now? Before, when the rates were lower, it looked so attractive. But since the market has been increasing the rates slowly by slowly, and each and every week, it seems like we are looking at the Fed and going, what is he going to say? Is he going to raise interest rates, which will then make the interest rates even go higher? But, you know, borrowers are looking at how much money can I save by refinancing my home? And right now, it's looking like some borrowers are looking like it's just not worth it. So then it says applications to refinance a home fell 4% for the week and are down 39% compared to the same week 1 year ago. According to the Mortgage Bankers Association seasonal justified index just a few months ago, refinance volume was more than 100% higher than the previous year, guys. 100% more than the previous year. Come on, you got to see the writing on the wall, okay? It says, in addition, the refinance share of mortgage activity decreased to 62.9% of total applications from 64.5% the previous week. So we can see just on data, guys, we can just see on data that individuals are looking at these interest rates and going, it's just not worth it. And I can totally understand it because I have talked to clients, I have talked to neighbors, friends, and everyone is asking the same thing. Is it worth refinancing my home with these low rates now? And I tell individuals, if you can save a 1% on the refinancing home, then it's worth it. What people are seeing is that 1% that I'm talking about, maybe it's 0.9%, and it's not that full 1%. Is it worth it then? And I say, really, in my opinion, no. But it really depends on your opinion. You got to look at the dollars. The dollars. Even though I said the percentage, that's just a estimate, ballpark, kind of fast, yes, no answer. But when you look at the dollars, how much money is it saving you? And so we're seeing all of this happen. And this is the reason why I believe that the market is going to have this huge dump when it comes to the housing crash of 2021. So let's read back into it and see what some other stuff that it said. It says buyers are starting to hit an affordability wall as well as home prices increase at a fast clip for both new and existing houses. Mortgage applications for newly built homes fell 9% month to month in February as rates begin to rise. Then it says the average loan size for a newly built home also rose to a record high of more than $370,000 as overall housing inventory levels are consistently low and home prices are climbing. And see, this is what I'm talking about, guys. When it comes to the inventory, there is just so little houses to buy. There's just the low inventory is creating this huge demand. It's just as simple as supply and demand. And let's not talk about the incredible jump in prices when it comes to lumber, guys. Lumber, I know it doesn't sound interesting, but the truth of the matter is houses are made out of lumber, right? That's what it is. And if lumber prices are really high, then the prices of new construction homes will go up also. So let's look at that. What did lumber prices rise up to? It says here, with lumber prices and other building material costs still at record high levels, home builders confidence fell 2 points in March per the latest reports. Now, guys, this is really key to it because not only do we have refinances that are going down. No one really wants to do because the interest rates are higher and people are losing interest in refinancing. But the purchase market is still really high. But you're gonna get hit with the purchase side too, with if you want to buy a new home, you're automatically gonna get a sticker shock of $24,000 in a higher priced home because of the lumber cost, right? And it's one of those things where most buyers won't know that's the reason why the home is a little bit higher. They will just think, oh, this is a great area. This is the build out, the type of home, the quality. They will think all of those things are what makes the price of the home higher, and not understand that the materials of themselves are so much higher that it's boosting up the purchase price of the home. So what am I saying at the end of the day? At the end of the day, I'm saying, guys, you gotta see all of these things in the news happening. You got the lumber high, which on the purchase side, you're getting hit. On the refinance side, interest rates are going up. And if you've watched any of my previous videos, you know when interest rates start going up and we start catching up with that inflation, man, oh man, it's gonna be the perfect storm of all of this stuff, high prices in lumber and materials. No one wants to refinance because of the interest rate, inflation going up. And what do you have? You have a soup called the housing crash of 2021-2022, right? That's the possibility that could happen, guys. Like, you have to be aware of this. This information is really key for someone who wants to get into rental property, someone who wants to just buy a home. All of this information is great to know so that you can make informed decisions based off of the information that you know. If you don't have this information, it is very hard to understand what's going on in the market, if you're getting a good deal, if you're getting a bad deal, should I wait? Should I buy now? All of these questions come up, and with this information, you can make the best decision that you possibly can, guys. So I want to hear from you guys in the comment section. I want to know, what do you guys think of this news? Does this news make you want to buy a home? Does this news make you not want to buy a home? Does this news make you interested in getting into rental property? I just want to hear what you guys have to say. Now, remember, you don't want to pass up on deals that are deals, right? Even in this market, if a good deal comes to you, don't pass up on it. So I hope you got value out of this content, and I need you to watch this next video over here. Just watch this video. It will allow you to get into real estate, get into your first rental property, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks.